Understanding the phrase, fighting shadows. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions. We'll be exploring the phrase, fighting shadows. This phrase is not just literal. It has a deeper, metaphorical meaning that we often encounter in English literature, movies, and everyday conversation. So, let's unravel its meaning together. First, let's break down the literal meaning of fighting shadows. When we think of fighting, it usually involves a physical or verbal confrontation. Shadows, on the other hand, are the dark outlines or shapes cast on a surface when an object blocks light. Literally, fighting shadows would mean trying to combat these intangible, dark figures. But why is this interesting? Because in English, we often use literal meanings to understand metaphorical ones. Now, let's delve into the metaphorical meaning. When someone says they are fighting shadows, they're not talking about literally throwing punches at dark figures. Instead, they mean they are struggling against problems or enemies that are either not real, not tangible, or not as significant as they seem. It's like battling an invisible or imaginary opponent. This phrase can imply that the effort someone is putting in is futile or misguided. How is fighting shadows used in everyday language? Here are a few examples. Overcoming personal demons. Someone might say they're fighting shadows when dealing with internal struggles or fears. Chasing unrealistic goals. If someone is pursuing something unattainable, they might be described as fighting shadows. Addressing non-existent problems. In a work or personal setting, focusing on issues that aren't real or important can be referred to as fighting shadows. To expand your understanding, let's look at similar phrases and synonyms. Tilting at windmills. This phrase, originating from the novel Don Quixote, has a similar meaning of fighting imaginary enemies or problems. Chasing ghosts. Another synonym that implies pursuing something that doesn't exist or is irrelevant. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, fighting shadows, in all its depth and nuances. Remember, English is full of such idiomatic expressions that enrich our conversations and writing. Keep exploring and learning. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.